Would you like some cereal? This came out of a chicken's butt.
You may have seen him on the A&E reality show Modern Dads. Award-winning comedian Shawn Kent hailed as brilliant by Laughspin magazine, and today he joins us live in our studio. Shawn, so glad you could make time and be here with us today.
I just realized I'm wearing the shirt that they gave me from the TV show right now. That tells you how little reality TV pays. I got paid in clothing.
It was more of a trade then.
Yeah, like the shirt that they said for interviews at the end, I was like, can I just keep this? And they were like, just walk away.
Just walk away.
Walk away quick.
Well, maybe if it's picked
anything.
up for like a second season, then they'll start like paying you in actual currency.
Do you know if it's going to be?
Oh, I don't know.
Have
I
you
thought
heard
maybe
anything?
you would know. How would I know that?
Honestly, you
I don't
guys
know
are
who your
in the
PR
news.
person is, but
You're
they're falling down on the
Wouldn't-
job.
Wouldn't the news know stuff
No,
before?
not
people
local
not
news.
in the news?
No. You're
But
like a star.
You
though.
have a line to people
A
in
line to
national
who?
news.
We don't have a bat phone, Shawn.
You don't?
No, doesn't
Oh,
exist. I hate to
that's
break
too
it to
bad.
you.
But you have a box that you
I
stand
know.
on.
You just,
That is adorable.
everybody
Can we
wants to
show
put
that?
me on blast. I'm short,
Can
so
we
I
show
stand
that?
on a box. It's nothing new to our viewers.
It's so cute. It's the
Oh,
cutest thing ever. I feel
okay.
like Nicole Kidman and you're Tom Cruise.
Thanks. That didn't end so well. So what does that say about,
It
our
says
little
we're gonna have
report
10
here?
We're going to have 9.5 years of awesome sex.
Oh,
and
whoa,
then
this
I'll
is
break
a
up
family
with you because you're a
show.
Scientologist.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not going to work.
Why
I'm not
are
a
you a
Scientologist.
Scientologist?
I'm not.
That's what I want to know.
I'm not.
This
Let's
is
talk
a
about
hard-hitting
modern
news show. Why is the anchor for Charlotte into Scientology?
This is how rumors get started.
covering up for
People are
them.
going to believe this stuff. That's not
Well,
true.
That's what you say.
You know what?
Let's get the other anchor over here to interview you.
He might secretly be into it
about
as
this
well.
giant
Taking notes right
Scientology
now.
You know
cover-up.
what? Can we
He
talk
looks
about
like
Modern
he's
Dads?
running for office in
Really?
a small southern state. He looks like
Luckily,
he's
we're
the
in a big
governor.
southern state.
You look like the governor of somewhere I've never been.
Okay, but
Like,
not
doesn't he look
Texas,
like-
because you're from Texas.
Like if there's a hurricane, he looks like that guy would come on and go, our people are doing okay. Right? Doesn't he?
You know what? This has been fun, but we are out of time.
Already?
Yeah.
People don't even know why I'm here.
Exactly, because you took
You're
it straight to
terrible at this.
Scientology. I'm
Just kidding.
terrible?
She's
You
mean. I
hijacked
love
my
her.
interview.
Comedy Zone.
All right, Comedy Zone tonight and all the way through the
6
weekend.
shows.
Shawn Kent from Modern Dads, the A&E reality show. Appreciate it.
Modern Dads right now. We
Jamie,
don't know about the future.
back to you.
I'm in charge of the state police. I might come have you arrested or something. Thanks, guys. Should be a fun show, clearly.